You can turn the song on for her. Don't press that button, that turns it off. There you go. What do you think she's looking at?
Me.
She's looking at you? Thanks, G. That's nice of you. But she's not swinging now, though. You gotta back up so you can swing. There you go. You guys are such good helpers. Oop.
Whoops, Mom, pick this on off.
That slows it down. Looks like she likes the swing.
No,
Gentle, G.